Good morning, Bears. I'm Daniel. Welcome to your BTV announcements. Today is Thursday, January 9th. Hope you dressed to stay warm this morning. Tomorrow is supposed to be even colder with more rain. NISD will monitor weather conditions closely. Let parents know as soon as possible of any closures via the school and NISD website, social media, school messenger, and local media. Baseball tryouts are right around the corner. Anyone interested must attend a meeting at 6 p.m. in the auditorium today with the parent or guardian. You also must have an up-to-date physical to try out. See Coach Jason Thompson in Portable 23, Coach Casey Miles in Portable 24, or Coach Zachary Lara in Portable 13 with any questions. Ladies, if you're interested in trying out for the softball team, you need to attend 2 meetings. The first one is tomorrow, 4:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m., and the second one is Saturday, 9 a.m. to noon. You need to attend both meetings, have a physical filed, and cleared with athletic trainers prior to tryouts. Our Bears basketball team continued their undefeated district streak with their 101-25 blowout of the Taft Raiders this past Tuesday. Tomorrow, they face off against the Warren Warriors at the Paul Taylor Fieldhouse at 5 p.m. BFND Bears, kudos once more to Camden Cowgill for bringing home MVP honors for the championship basketball tourney. He scored 73 points and 17 three-pointers during the tournament. Kudos to our Lady Bears basketball team on their 3 wins during the break. They blew out Stevens 103-21 on December 21st, defeated Taft 82-30 on December 31st, and capped their winning streak with the 70-49 win against Warren. Way to win, ladies. Davian Charles scored the lone goal in the Bears soccer team 1-0 win against the Sotomayor Wildcats on Tuesday. Way to kick it, Bears. Today through Saturday, they compete in the Southwest ISD Showcase at Dragon Stadium. After 80 minutes of play, our Lady Bears soccer team ended their match in a scoreless tie against the Sotomayor Lady Wildcats. Today through Saturday, they compete in the Northside ISD tournament at Northside Field 1, BFND soccer teams. Today, Bernal and Briscoe middle school students visited our campus, and tomorrow Luna middle schoolers will visit. Let's continue showing them what Brennan is all about. Tomorrow, Brennan PTSA will have a membership pop-up booth. Stop by the front of the school to learn more about our PTSA, including membership opportunities, our community initiatives, and how to get involved. For starters, students can earn service hours by volunteering. Those interested can sign up through Sign Up Genius, which will be shared on social media platforms. Search for Brennan PTSA or email brennanptsa@gmail.com. Earn some hours. Seniors, do you need assistance filling out the financial aid application? Join Career Advisor Kathy Gonzalez for Financial Aid Workshop on Monday, January 13th from 3:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. You know who lives in a pineapple under the sea? Yes, SpongeBob. So make plans to see SpongeBob SquarePants the musical. The show runs next Thursday, January 16th and Friday, January 17th at 7 p.m. with the matinee performance at 2 p.m. on Saturday. Tickets are $20 for general admission, $15 for students, senior citizens, and military. Teachers and staff get free admission. Buy them ahead of time at brennanhs.booktix.com or at the door. If you drive and park a vehicle on campus, you must have a Brennan parking decal on your vehicle. Vehicles that are illegally parked are subjected to be towed. Please see VPO Secretary Michelle Mitchell in the VPO for details. Finally, our Brennan Cheerleaders will perform at the NISD Cheer Showcase at the Harlan Gym on Saturday at 12:25 p.m. So come out and support them as they prepare for this journey to NCAA Nationals. It's free, so come out to cheer on the ladies. Well, this is all we have for today, and don't forget to follow us on X at BTV Bears, and also look for BTV Bears on Instagram. If you missed any part of this broadcast, catch us on YouTube by searching for BTV Bears. I'm Daniel, signing off from BTV. Have a great day, keep a positive mindset, stay engaged in learning, and evolve every day. Dress warm tomorrow.